Tired of scrubbing your bathroom on your hands and knees? Meet the Clean Home Tile Tub Scrubber Brush, your new cleaning hero. Reason 1. 3 interchangeable cleaning heads for every surface. Switch between brush heads for tiles, tubs, and sinks easily. No more struggling with the wrong tool for the job. Reason 2. The 56-inch extendable handle saves your back. Reach high shower walls and deep bathtubs without bending. Perfect for cleaning enthusiasts and elderly users alike. No more awkward stretching or standing on tiptoes. Reason 3. No scratch design protects your precious surfaces. Scrub away tough grime without worrying about scratches. Safe for delicate tiles, glass, and even your bathtub finish. This brush is gentle but tough on dirt and stains. Let's see it in action. Watch how easily it tackles soap scum. The stiff bristle head powers through grout and corners. Switch to the microfiber pad for a sparkling streak-free shine. The ergonomic handle keeps your hands comfortable during long cleanse. No more sore wrists or tired arms after cleaning sessions. Lightweight design makes it easy for anyone to use. Even elderly users can clean safely and efficiently. Versatile enough for bathrooms, kitchens, floors, and more. Tackle toilets, sinks, walls, and even outdoor tiles. Deep clean every corner of your home with one tool. Interchangeable heads snap on and off in seconds. No complicated assembly or confusing instructions, just clean and go. The long handle adjusts to your perfect height. Say goodbye to back pain from bending and crouching. Durable construction means this brush will last for years. Eco-friendly packaging shows Clean Home cares about the planet. Keep your home spotless and your conscience clear. Ideal for busy homeowners who want fast, effective cleaning. Great for cleaning enthusiasts who love spotless results. Perfect for elderly users who need a safer solution. No more juggling multiple brushes and sponges. One tool, 3 heads, endless cleaning possibilities. The no-scratch design means you can clean worry-free. Protect your investment in beautiful tiles and fixtures. Effortlessly remove grime, mildew, and hard water stains. The microfiber pad leaves surfaces gleaming and fresh. Heavy-duty bristles tackle the toughest messes with ease. The extendable handle is a game-changer for hard-to-reach spots. Clean shower ceilings, behind toilets, and under sinks easily. No more missing spots or unfinished cleaning jobs. Transform your cleaning routine with this all-in-one tool. Save time, save effort, and get better results. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Order your Clean Home Tile Tub Scrubber Brush today. Enjoy free delivery right to your door from Amazon. Join thousands of happy customers who love their Clean Home brush. Don't wait. Your sparkling clean bathroom is just a click away. Click the link, add to cart, and experience Evergene's effortless cleaning. Share this video with friends who love a clean home. Comment below if you have cleaning tips or questions. Follow for more honest product reviews and cleaning hacks. Make cleaning easier, faster, and more enjoyable today. Clean Home Tile Tub Scrubber Brush, because your home deserves the best. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.